matter the time. Her father looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling. Just had to stop. Remember. Oh my gosh. Looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling.
Oh my God! Oh my! Somebody just flipped! Oh my God! Protect your eyes. Let's get to the house and then go out about what? Lord. That was it. She hit us in the rear end.
Those with jail watch would be on duty. So it surprised her when she found lights on at the back of the main chamber. She walked up and leaned against the door frame, looking.
What are you doing? What idiot?
We go around the corner. Just pulls right in front of me.
Julie's waiting. Good. Hey, I'm gonna send Maurice McGee.
Because it's the baby?
Well, like, just not like hesitant because of the baby. He seemed like fine, but kind of like, oh yeah, he's got a lot of questions, like this, that, and the other, because he blew through the stop sign.
Yep.
That's hilarious.
That's awesome. Some instant karma right there, man.
Right?
Take it to a page for managing your own passkeys. Many of my phones, when I logged into there, were already registered. I was like, oh man, I still have all these.
All the way to Vancouver in one day without being. Whoa.
Oh my god. How are the flashers?
Call 911.
afternoon. All the majors throughout Bendigo, not too bad at all. Just the Midland Highway looking a little slow in both directions, north of Howard Street in Epsom, and also slow through Kangaroo Flat Street. Full pantry organisation for less at VW. Get us $9.90, save $8.10, while stocks last at Big W.
How long has he been dating the girlfriend? Holy shit! Driving the wrong way. Oh my god. Yo,
The latest on where the storm is right now, where it's going, she can go and just look right now. This is Foxwell in Greenwood. Giving Brett Yan at a second, landfall at around 2 o'clock this afternoon.